This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using a keyboard and mouse on your iPad. First, ensure your iPad is updated to iPad OS 13.4 or later for optimal mouse functionality. You'll need a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Go to your iPad settings, tap on Bluetooth, and pair each device. For iPads with a USB-C port, a compatible hub allows for wired connections, offering a stable gaming experience. Once your keyboard and mouse are connected, open the Roblox app. The game should automatically detect your new input devices. If not, navigate to the in-game settings menu. Look for a Controls or Input section and ensure Keyboard/Mouse is selected. Take a moment to adjust your mouse sensitivity and customize keybinds to match your preferred playstyle, making your experience much smoother. With your keyboard and mouse, you'll immediately notice a significant improvement in gameplay. The keyboard provides precise character movement and quick access to in-game actions, while the mouse offers superior camera control and aiming accuracy. This setup transforms your iPad into a more versatile gaming platform, allowing for a much more immersive and competitive Roblox experience, especially in action-oriented games. For the best experience, always ensure your keyboard and mouse are fully charged before playing. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of your iPad or repairing of the devices often resolves them. Regularly check for updates to both iPad OS and the Roblox app, as these can improve compatibility and performance. A good mousepad can also enhance tracking accuracy, giving you an edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.